So this is a horseradish root. This one's kind of petrified. I don't know if it's any good anymore for what I want to do, but I'm going to try to grow it. I've grown horseradish successfully before from the roots, but this one's a little tired. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see whether or not it can grow. I'm gonna cut it into 2 or 3 different sections and then cut those in half, and I'm gonna stick them in a pot. So let's see. I don't even know that this crappy knife that I have will cut through this even. Still looks good. This is just a shop knife. So, okay, so the horseradish still smells like horseradish. So I'm just gonna cut these in half. Like that. This one I'm going to cut. There we go. So I have about 7 pieces. I'm going to go ahead. I already got a pot prepared. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plant them out there in the pot. So I got this pot prepared, and you can see I got a little bit too much water in it, but we're gonna go ahead. You take these and you just sort of put them in like that. Hi buddy, you want to put one in there? No? Okay. We'll just stick them in there. A little bit of extra water is not going to hurt anything. Kind of want to put them at an angle like that, so part of it's near the top, and we won't water these for a while to let some of the water run out. And then this is what you'll end up with here. These are horseradish that I started growing. I actually grew them last year and they grew back this year. This year I'm gonna dig some of them up, but yeah, this is what you'll end up with. And if you live in a wetter climate, not like here in Arizona, if you live in a wet climate, these things will spread everywhere. So if you like horseradish, you can get them to spread everywhere. But anyway, that's what we're looking for. So today is August 4th, so we'll see how long it takes for those to start sprouting.